Hello everybody, my name is Lyzmarie and today I decided to do my January Petit Vour unboxing. I know I'm late because it's February, but I was like, what the heck, I'm gonna do it anyways. I'm gonna do my Petit Vour unboxing. So let's get into this baby. Okay, oh, the card is so cute, I love it. It has like this cute little fashionista on the front. So good. So good. Okay, let's see what the first item is. It is the Andalou Naturals Instant Brighten and Tighten Hydro Serum Fish Mask. I've never tried Andalou Naturals face mask. I have tried. I believe it was a hair cream. Then I also tried this moisturizer and it worked really well. It was like a little sample size I got from Ulta. But it's vitamin C brightening and fiber sheet mask. I love vitamin C. Vitamin C is like the way to elevate the scent. And I love the health benefits and the skin benefits. Great. Let's see. An entire spa treatment in one sheet curated to your beauty profile. This mask is perfect match for your skin type, which I have combination skin. I'm gonna have oily T-zone and normal, typically all around. But during the winter, I'm getting like dry patches and it's not pretty. It's not pretty at all. Can't wait to try this. Sadly enough though, I haven't tried the last mask in the December box. I should really get on that. I have no idea where I placed it actually, which is why I haven't used it. But I love typically like clay masks, not actual sheet masks, but I'm willing to give this one a try. Okay, let's see what else is in this box. Okay, I grabbed this small little tub and it's called, I'm not sure, what does it say on this? Voss. I would have said that totally wrong because if you look at this thing here, I could get close up. It has like a little heart. I was gonna say Voss and it's clearly Voss. But okay, it's a cinnamon lip plumper. I don't know how I feel about that. I've never tried a lip plumper before and I'm not very much inclined to. I've watched some YouTube videos where people have had really bad experiences and I'd rather not, burn my lips off. But okay, it says it's a lip balm and plumper in one with the hydrating powers of coconut, almond and olive oil, and the plumping action of pure cinnamon oil. Use daily for ultra soft, plump lips. I'm gonna smell this. Though I think you can tell from the name that's probably smells like cinnamon. Oh my god. It smells like pure cinnamon. You can't even smell any of the other essential oils in here. I love the smell of cinnamon. I'm not one to not try things for the first time, so I will give it a go. Ooh, I see a big bottle. Okay, this is the We Love Eyes Eyelid and Eyelash Foaming Cleanser. It's full size, I'm assuming it's $20. Take it all off with this makeup remover that soothes sensitive, dry, and itchy eyes. Perfect for use on eyelash extensions too. I've never gotten eye extensions, so I haven't got to worry about that. But I can't wait to try this. I'm all for cleansers. The last cleanser I got, the Juice Beauty one from this box, I've been thoroughly enjoying that one. Haven't gone through the whole tube yet, but sometimes I'm bad and I don't actually cleanse my face every night like I should. Don't do that. But yeah, I've been enjoying that one for the most part. The last item I have in my box for this January month is the Aromatherapy Associates London Hydrating, Revitalizing Face Oil, Moisturizing and Renewing. I love me some face oil. Even if I am combination skin, I love them at night. I love to let them just soak into my skin overnight and then my face feels rejuvenated in the morning. Unless it's like a really thick oil, then I just feel like a hot oily mess and it's disgusting. But okay, this is an effective blend of potent essential oils and natural plant extracts to restore vitality to dull skin. Fragrant incense, renowned for its rejuvenating and firming properties, is combined with borage and rose to smooth your skin's appearance and enhance radiance for a healthy, glowing complexion. Complexion, if I could say that correctly. Oh, but it's such a cute little bottle. Like, look at that. I love just getting these cute little sample sizes. I just want to keep all the little bottles. It's just so cute. I definitely cannot wait to try this. This definitely is up my alley. But okay, that is it for my January Petit Vour unboxing. You know, I was a little late on that, but you know, never say never, and it's never too late to start. And I don't know any other, you know, motivating quotes to say right now. But moving on, I decided that I wanted to talk about some of the items I got from my past Petit Vour boxes and just give some of my thoughts on them. I'm gonna pick them up at random. The first one I got is Get Happy Body Wash, made with organic oils, geranium, and peppermint. Okay, so if you can see, I have used this for the most part. It's almost gone. I mean, I don't use it every day. I use it every so often. It was a nice body wash, but it didn't do anything extraordinary for my skin. Like, I've had some body washes that have left my skin feel so supple and soft, and it was the greatest feeling ever. You know, and the scent clings to you, and I just go to sleep like a baby. This one, it smells really nice. You can definitely smell the peppermint. It smells really good. I enjoy the scent, but I don't think that I would purchase the full size of this one. Next item I'm gonna go over is the Ursa Major Golden Hour Recovery Cream. Okay, so this one I have been using. The little bit of this goes the longest way, so that's why it has lasted me as long as it has. I got this in the December box. It smells so good, and I've been using it at night to moisturize my skin after I cleanse, and it really does leave my skin like nice and supple, and I do believe it helps me with my fine lines, like it helps to smooth them out. The only small thing I don't like about this is that I feel like it leaves like a slight residue on my face that I can feel like it didn't completely absorb into my skin, and I don't use a lot of this. Just put my finger in a little bit, and I moisturize, and it can moisturize my whole face. I moisturize my neck. I'm not 100% sure on this one. I was really debating buying the full size, but I'll see what happens once I finish the actual full tub. Next item, I found another tub in my hand, and this is the True Moringa Lip Whip Balm. Okay. How I said this doesn't have a scent in the first Petit Vour unboxing I got, because I also got this in my December box. It does. It smells delicious. It smells mainly like coconut to me, but it's super creamy. But it just doesn't moisturize my lips long enough, and it gives a slight color to my lips, so I love wearing it on my all natural days. When I just want like a pop of color on my lips, it's good. Another lip balm that I got maybe 2 or 3 boxes ago, which also smells like delicious coconut, is the Meta Skincare Coconut Lip Balm. I mean, it's in the name, right? Coconut lip balm. This one, I love to use every day. I keep it in a bag. The only thing about these kind of lip balms, I hate putting my finger in it. I keep a lip brush in my purse, and I just use that lip brush to put lip balm on it because I don't like getting it all over my hands and stuff, but it's super creamy. And I love the way it smells, and it really does moisturize my lips. And I find after I use this, like if I have really dry lips, like I've been suffering from really dry lips lately during the winter, so I could put this on, and then in the morning I will go in with like a sugar scrub and like exfoliate the dead skin off, and this makes it a lot easier to get rid of. Next item is the Shamanudi Pumpkin Enzyme Mask. Okay guys, I haven't used this completely. It smells delicious. It smells like pumpkin. I got this, I believe, in the October Petit Vour box that I got, and I love this mask. This mask is beautiful, and I want to buy the full size for sure, even though I only have used it like 4 times. It's still pretty full, so I have plenty more tries to do this, but I just leave my skin feeling refreshed. My skin feels soft after I use it, and I really feel like this does something for my skin. Like very few face masks make me feel like it's actually doing something, and this one does, so definitely recommend this face mask. Next, my fingers have grabbed the Lily Lola Makeup Mist. I've been using this every time I do my makeup now, besides my Pixie. I don't remember which one I have. Which one do I have? Well, I have one of the Pixie makeup mists, and I love Pixie. Those makeup mists are great. But this one doesn't really have a scent. It smells kind of like water to me, if water could have a scent. But I don't really feel like it does anything for my skin. And sometimes you gotta be careful, because if you spray it too close to your face, I mean, it does say 8 to 10 inches away, which I don't think a lot of people listen to that. But if you do it too close, it'll leave literal droplets all over your face, and you can see them on your face. I mean, it goes away very easily with a beauty blender. You just pat it in. But overall, it's very refreshing. I like using it on, like, after I've been wearing my makeup a while, and I just like need to refresh and feel cool and stuff. It does work for that, but it doesn't take away the powdery look on my face if I've accidentally like powdered too much, which I can tend to do with my T-zone because I get oily there. But yeah, I'll get back to you guys once I finish the actual full thing, because I think I have about a half of the bottle left. Okay, you guys. This Moon Milk Shimmering Body Oil Jasmine Tuberose from Connie Botanicals. Oh my god, guys. It smells so good. Jasmine is one of my favorite scents, and this is like perfection. Oh my god. And this shimmering body oil is so beautiful on. And I can't wait for summer, because I feel like this would be something I want to try and mix into my sunblock for the girl burns. But you know, gotta look good while you try not to burn. Okay guys, here's another face mask sample I got. It is from Juara. I don't know how you say it. It's Juara. Rose and Willow Bark Purifying Mask. Exfoliates, minimizes pores for oily skin type. This is another mask that I've tried that I felt didn't really do anything for my skin. And I've used practically the whole tube, like there's very little of it left. But I use it mainly in my T-zone because I get oily there, like I've already said possibly a dozen times in this video. But I also have pores on my face that are getting larger as I get older, and I would like to, you know, take care of that. The one thing this mask did do though is soften my skin. Like after using this, my skin feels very soft. So it's good for that, and moisturized. Yeah, moisturized. A face oil, guys. This is the Ghost Oil from Poetic Blend. And you guys, this dropper, all these little bottles of the oils come in make me so happy. The scent on this is like fresh. It's clean. It's not too strong. It's very mild. But this does moisturize my skin, and it's kind of one of those thicker oils that I mentioned that I don't really like. And I've tried mixing this in with there's a major golden recovery cream. Not a good idea. I woke up very, very slick, and it was not good. But when I had like a real bad case of like dry patches around my chin area and mouth, this was a lifesaver. Guys, it got rid of the dry patches like that. It was gone. So I did enjoy this. I'm not sure I would buy the full size. If I can't find a better face oil, like the new one I just got, if that one's better, then I'll definitely, you know, not buy the full size of this one. But I want to give this one a chance. It did work. Yeah, I love face oils. The second to last item I have here is the Province Apothecary Full Brow Serum with Coffee and Argan Oil. Okay, I've been using this since I got it in the December box. And I can't really tell if it's helping my eyebrows grow or my eyebrows are just growing, you know? Because I've been growing them out. They're like a wild forest right now under these bangs. And I can't tell if this is actually helping them. So I think I'm going to keep using it. And I'll update you guys because I can't say for sure if it's actually done anything. This is the first time I've tried any kind of brow helping serum. But I love the way it smells. To me, for some reason, it smells like chicken seasoning. I know that's really weird for someone to say. And then like, it smells like seasoning and then like patchouli or something. Like it has layers, if that makes sense. Layers of scents. Like you smell one thing first and then you smell another thing afterwards. I really love the way it smells. smells so good. Another item that I have tried, I haven't tried it fully, so I still need to give this one a shot, but it's Osmia Nectar Vital Rose Drops. I also mixed this in with Ursa Major Golden Hour Recovery Cream. It smells strongly of rose. I guess that makes sense. Rose drops. It did help moisturize my skin. I did notice a small difference when I used the recovery cream by itself versus when I add a drop or two of this into it. And this also was very helpful with my dry patches, but the thing is, you guys, the full size of this is so expensive. It's so expensive. I can't. It's too expensive. I would never be able to afford this. I'd have to like save up for a full year to afford this, but it's beautiful. If you guys can afford it, I think it works. And it smells delicious. Okay guys, that's it for this video and my Petit Vour unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have received any of these items in your Petit Vour unboxings, or you buy stuff, that's the thing, people buy stuff besides subscription boxes. But leave them down in the comments down below. I'd love to know some of your thoughts and opinions, But yeah, until next time guys, I love you. Toodles. But you know what? A good cleanser for sensitive eyes is definitely something that I could go for. Because I think I have... I don't know where I'm going with this. And I don't know any other... But, and I also have some pores that I would like to take care of since I am stuck. Bye. I'll be there soon. Au revoir. Bonjour. Oh, bad cat, that's high.